Hello and welcome to another Source Sounds video. So this is a Range Rover SVR. The customer wanted a bass upgrade, so I'm just going to take you around the back now. I'll show you what we've put in the boot. The customer wanted it to be easily removable, but he wanted a bit more bass than the normal customer. So I'll show you what we fitted. So in the back, we've got two of the Audison amplified 10-inch boxes. Normally we would only have one of these boxes, but like I said, this customer wanted more bass than the average customer, and he also wanted them to be easily removable. So these are just on a couple of plugs, they quickly unplug, and these can then be took out of the vehicle if we need to fill his boot up. So what we'll do, I'll take you inside now, we'll start the vehicle up, and we'll let you have a quick listen. Okay, so now we're inside the vehicle. I'm just going to turn it up and let's see what she's got to give us. So there really is a lot of bass there. You can really feel it in your chest, and the customer listens to this sort of music. It's like dancey stuff, so it needed that weight behind the bass, which we have now got. The factory system just did not have the bass output for this particular customer's needs. So if you're interested in a bass upgrade, whether it's as big as this or something smaller, or maybe even you want to go bigger, if you're interested in something like this for your car, give us a call at Source on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.